Hello, dear friends. You are watching English Learning Really Made Easy. This is Sajed Ali Khan. I welcome you in the fifth episode of Learn Hindi through English series. In this series, we are going to study about Barakhadi in Hindi. Actually, Barakhadi stands for such terms which will make you acquaint about how to pronounce any letter or any word in Hindi and how to write or how to read it. So let's get started. In each slide, I am going to show you all these symbols that we call matras. In my previous video, I have already spoken about this matras. So how they are actually applied while making a word in Hindi that we are going to see. For example, we have seen this is the matra of a. This is the matra of ki, like small e, big E, U, O, A. So let us see how they are applied. This is K. K has no matra, no symbol. But here when we are adding this matra, it is dragging the sound K. Then this is the small e that is giving the sound of ki. This K, when we are applying this matra, this is giving the sound a different shape like ki. But when we are when we are using this matra, means big E, then it is giving or dragging the sound to the longer position like ki. This is small ki and this is ki. Then this matra is giving the sound a different shape like ku. This is dragging it longer again. Ku. This is ku. This is ku. And this is giving the sound like k. And when we have this matra like this shape, double one, then we have k. Then this one, ko. This is ko. And this small dot is giving the sound like n in English, kan, or it is also known as kam. Then this is ka, this two symbol, two dots, like we have in English colon. So this two dot in Hindi give the sound of ka. Let us go to the next word. I will just go on reading it because the matras are same, just the sound will be different. K, kha, ki, ki, ku, ku, ke, ke, ko, kham, kha. Next is when we are applying the same matras to g. So g will have different sounds like g. Then one matra will increase the sound further. Ga, gi, gi. Always remember this small e will give little deeper sound and this big e will give the sound a long drag like gi, gi, gu, gu, ge, ge, go, gun, ga. The next is gh, gha, ghi, ghi, ghu, gu, ghe, ghe, go, ghang, ga. Let us go to the next. Like we have this letter, ch. It has no matras, but the sound is ch. But when we are adding this matra, it is dragging the sound cha. Then this one further giving the sound little dip chi. Then it is dragging the same slanting sound like chi, chu, chu. This is giving the sound little one, and this is dragging it again further. Chu, che, chai, che, cho, chow, chan, cha. Next is ch, cha, chi, chi, chu, chu, che, che, cho, cho, chan, cha. Next is j, ja, ji, ji, ju, ju, j, j, jo, jo, jan, ja. Next is jh. See, this is the difference. J and jh. J and jh. This is aspirated sound. It comes from the throat. Jh, jha, G, G, Ju, Ju, J, J, Jo, Jo, Jan, Ja. Then again, same matra with different letters like T. T is just without dragging the sound. Then Ta. When we are putting this matra, it will give the longer sound. Ta. T. T. Tu. Tu. Please focus here. This, when we are using this symbol, the sound will be little drag. Tu. And when you are using this type of symbol, it will be longer drag. Like tu, 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 te, te, to, to, tan, ta. Then this is th, th. This will come from the chest. Th, tha, ti, ti, tu, tu, te, te, to, to, tan, ta. Next is d, da, di, di, do, do, de, de, do, do, dun, da. Next is dh. This is the difference. D and dh. Dh, dha, dhi, dhi, dhu, dhu, de, de, do, do, dun, da. Next letter is n. Like in English, we have n, it is same. N, na, ni, ni, nu, nu, ne, ne, no, no, nan, na. T, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, te, te, to, to, tan, ta. Th, th, like you have to keep your tongue between the two teeth, like th, tha, thi, thi, thu, thu, the, thay, tho, tho, than, tha. Next is the, da, di, di, do, do, de, they, do, do, dun, da. Next is dh, dha, dhi, dhi, dhu, dhu, de, they, do, do, dhan, da. Next word is n, na, ni, ni, nu, nu, ne, ne, no, no, nan, na. P, pa, pi, pi, pu, pu, pe, pe, po, po, pan, pa. F. This is like we use phone, philosophy, so like that. F. We have to touch the lower lip with upper teeth. F, fa, fi, fi, fu, fu, fe, fi, fo, fo, fun, fa. Next one is b, ba, bi, bi, bu, bu, be, be, bo, bo, bun, ba. Next one is bh. See the difference between b, b, you have to touch both the lips together. B, ba, b, like that. But here, bh, bh. When you will pronounce this one, bh, you have to just touch the lip and leave it. Bh, with the gasping sound that should come out of your mouth. Bh. But in pronouncing this one, b, it should not be like that. The sound should be very, very much clear. B, and this is bh. Bh, bha, bhi, bhi, bhu, bhu, bhe, bhai, bho, bho, bhan, ba. Next is m, ma, mi, me, mu, mu, me, me, mo, mo, man, ma. Next one is y, ya, yi, yi, you, ye, ye, yo, yo, yen, ya. This English written down, this pronunciation will help you a lot. R, ra, ri, ri, ru, ru, re, re, ro, ro, run, ra. Next is L, la, li, li, lu, lu, le, le, lo, lo, lun, la. Next is V. Again here, you have to touch upper teeth with lower lip. V, wa, like we pronounce V in English. Like we pronounce V in English. V, wa, we, wu, wu, we, we, wo, wow, one, wa. Next is sh, sh, sha, she, shu, shu, she, she, sho, show, shen, sha. Next one is again sh, sha, she, shu, shu, she, she, sho, show, shen, sha. I have repeated this because there are two types of sh. In the previous slide also I have given this one. Then again I repeated here. There is a reason because this is also sh and this is also sh. So I wanted to compare. You should not get confused. Therefore, this line I have repeated in this slide also. So try to understand this is also sh and this is also sh. Okay. But when you will learn how to write a word, then you will find out where you can use this type of sh and where you can use this type of sh. Both sh's uses are different. Sounds are same. Okay. So this is again sh, sha, she, shu, shu, she, shay, sho, show, shan, sha. Next is s, sa, si, su, se, so, sa. Next is h. This sound will come directly from the chest. H, ha, he, who, he, ho, how, hun, ha. Next is sh. This one is little bit tough to pronounce, and in the writing also you will see it makes very unique type of words like sh, sha, she, shu, shu, she, shay, sho, show, shan, sha. So in the beginning the K is silent here, but we just give a little touch of the sound. Aksha, like this aksha. Next one is tr, tr, tra, three, through, try, throw, tra. Once more, I want to remind you, this is either you can pronounce trun or you can pronounce trum. So as soon as you will find this small dot on any letter, then you have to either pronounce with N or M, both will be correct. Then this last one is G, ga, gi, gi, gu, gu, ge, gay, go, go, gun, ga. So I hope you have learned many sounds and how to pronounce them. Uh, Written this type of pronunciation down and the actual word how to pronounce in Hindi, that is the upper letter. So the sound and the letter, you have to watch it many times as soon as you are going to learn it, and you will see that you will be able to read very nicely, very fluently, and you will be able to even write. In my next video, I will give you some more ideas about how to write and how to read. And then we will see how to construct the sentences directly with the translative methods. So I'm again going to say you sorry because I'm getting delayed, but believe me, I'm working to give you the best quality. Therefore, I'm getting a little delayed in uploading my videos. I hope you can understand. I can make a video every day, but that quality will not be there. So I won't let it be delayed, but I should give you something concrete, some information that will definitely enhance your knowledge and your learning spirit. So I'll see you next in my next video very soon. Till then, you can take care. Bye bye. And please like, share, and subscribe my videos if you like my teaching. I will be waiting for your comments, and God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching my video till now. Thank you very much. Bye bye.